I couldn't help but notice your 2006 Nissan Murano on the side of the road. As someone who has spent years in combat situations, I know the importance of being prepared for any situation. And just like how I have to be able to adapt to changing circumstances on the battlefield, it's important to be able to jumpstart a car when you need to. First, we need to make sure that our vehicles are parked close enough to each other so that the jumper cables can reach both batteries. Once we have them parked close enough, we can open the hoods and locate the batteries. Next, we need to connect the jumper cables to both vehicles. The red cable goes to the positive terminal on your dead battery and the positive terminal on the working vehicle's battery. Then, the black cable goes to the negative terminal on the working vehicle's battery and to a metal ground point on your car, away from the battery. Once the cables are connected, start the working vehicle's engine and let it run for a few minutes. This will charge your car's battery. After a few minutes, try starting your car. If it starts, then we're good to go. If not, let the cars charge for a bit longer before trying again. Remember, just like how the UNSC had to rely on teamwork to overcome the enemy, we need to work together to jumpstart your car. And always be sure to double-check the battery and cables to avoid any electrical shorts or other hazards. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Remember, preparation and attention to detail can make all the difference in any situation. Stay safe out there, and good luck on your journey.